Listen, man, it's a free country. You can believe whatever you want. But I'm not just gonna fucking believe and run with everything that's got big, bold letters. And then when you don't take the big, bold letters and run with it and go, it's true, like instantly, like a lot of these other people, they'll tell you you're distracted. Really? Well, I'm not the one running with every fucking set of big, bold letters. You do understand that Epstein files is like 5.2 million files, and not one of them is physical. They're all like via electronic PDF. That's why you could like remove the redactedness and see stuff. Just like the Obama birth certificate. It was layered, you know, like made electronically. Is your birth certificate made electronically? No, it's printed on paper. So let me get this straight. There's 5.2 million Epstein files. None of them are made with ink. Okay. There's this birth certificate that Obama had. And it was revealed that it was made electronically and not with ink. And don't forget about this auto pen that signed Biden's signature on thousands of documents, including executive orders, pardons, a mechanical device that signs his signature. Not his real ink. Like, what the fuck? Not only that, if Trump was in the Epstein files, why the fuck didn't they use it against him before he got elected? They wait till he's elected to use that? Come on, man. That don't make no sense. It don't make no sense. If they release 5.2 million files, whatever the that means, why can't they just release all of them? They already didn't redact them the right way or whatever. I mean, what the fuck? Not only that, if they're like, well, we have to evaluate the rest of the files. You mean to tell me you've read 5.2 million files and there's no flight log client list? If you read 5.2 million files, you should be able to present a client list. But you know who did have a client list? In the whole internet. There's 50,000 different client lists with all kind of motherfuckers. Winnie the Pooh, every rapper, every singer, every TV person, like trees, different kind of fish. Not only that, who the was investigating all these crazy ass files and not taking nobody to jail? Don't you think by like page 2.2 million that it had enough evidence? No, wait. Let's wait. Let's let a million more pages go. And it's still nothing? No, wait, dude. A million more pages. Like, what the Guys, come on, dude. That don't make sense. Was the same intelligence agencies that were just like getting all these files and not doing nothing, is that the same intelligence agencies that raided Trump's Mar-a-Lago for information that the president should already be reading? Like, they made a huge deal out of it. They're like, oh God, the president was reading the files. On what? On foreign military planning? Nuclear technology? Foreign communication? He's supposed to read that stuff. Acting like it was just like found in a Walmart parking lot or something. You got Trump trying to read stuff about the intelligence and the safety of our country, which later on we found out was a lie because Edward Snowden released all the documents and the information saying that intelligence agencies were illegally spying on Americans. And it ain't like just like spying like, ooh, what are they doing? Are they selling? No, collecting your data, your metadata, so they can learn what you like and what you want to talk about, and then they can change what kind of people you connect with on the internet, which could sway elections if you're talking about the political environment. It's totally switched over to where I can't even say nothing no more. It used to be all Trump supporters, but now it's people who think the opposite of me somehow. Then you got all the people in the comment section who are like, you switched up, bro. Can't believe this. Like, dog, I'm the only one who hasn't switched up. What are you talking about? That's the psyop. The psyop is making you think that you're not being you anymore. I mean, you would think that would be of concern to the national intelligence agencies, that the internet psyop is tricking people into thinking they don't know who they are. That's crazy. And it's everywhere you look, too, bro. It's the big bold letters. UFOs have made contact. Really? Where? Then all these people were like, we demand the answers about the contact with aliens. The government's like, what do you think? We got like a garage they just pull into? And they're like, yeah, we're here to make contact. Nobody else has seen a spaceship land. Nobody on the earth has seen, with all these camera phones, nobody has seen one land to be like, yo, what's up? We're here. That's what's being demanded? You want to see a green slimy space? If you ask me, what makes the most sense is like a secret nuclear fusion program where they do experiments on humans without them knowing, and maybe they like alter the wattage that's in your body or something, and maybe it makes your neurons in your brain move different and connect circuits that never were connected before, and maybe it gives you an enhanced pattern detecting ability or something that is beneficial to like solving problems, because that's what we need to do is solve problems, because we ain't doing solving. Maybe it gives you an enhanced version of matching faces to faces you've seen on the internet, so you can like instantly match them to situations. Maybe it gives you better memory, better mechanics, hand-eye coordination, balance. If they did come up with something like that, which is totally plausible, that would in fact be alien technology, because we ain't never heard of that. I mean, if intelligence agencies were hiding that kind of stuff, I'd be demanding to see it too. I'd be like, we need that technology now. We got to use it. People are thinking Chinese spy balloons might be full of aliens. They're thinking this dude on TikTok who went and got a chrome ball from Michael's and a pen engraver that engraved some symbols on it. They think he's got a magical ancient space ball in his yard. The Anunnaki dropped this in my yard because I'm the chosen one.
Like you been chosen.
But then when you ask everybody like, hey man, let's just think normally for a minute and like try to figure this out logically, people lose their mind. They're like,
He's got psychosis. He's stuck cracking his butt.
dang bro, I can't believe he's addicted to butt crack now, dog.
Is anyone gonna help him with his psychosis? They're taking over.
An army of came to his house, bro, infiltrated his window and stabbed him with tiny spears. Yeah, bro, I heard about the rumors on the interwebs. I was hoping it wasn't true. No, man, this post about his downfall had 370 likes. I'm pretty sure it's a full-blown fact. And bro, 370 people, it's like a whole world thinking the same. Yeah, buddy. Yes. It looks so good now. Man.
This is my favorite kitchen ever.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Woo. Damn, y'all done a lot of work.
Oh yeah. You don't see any more holes in the wall?
Nothing.